ever used a list as a queue in Python? You've been silently paying an O of n tax on every element you remove from the front. Deque, short for double-ended queue, comes from Python's collections module. It gives you O of one-time complexity for append and pop at both ends. Compare that to a list. Pop 0 must shift every remaining element, making it O of n. Internally, deque uses a doubly linked structure, so both ends are equally fast. This makes deque the ideal choice for FIFO queues, breadth-first search, and sliding window problems. In a breadth-first search, you constantly pop from the front and append to the back. Deque handles both in O of 1. The maxlen parameter is especially useful. Set it to 10 and deque automatically drops old values as new ones arrive. That said, deque is not always the right tool. Lists give you O of 1 random access by index. Bracket notation is instant. Accessing the middle of a deque is O of n. So if your algorithm needs frequent index-based lookups, a list is the better choice. Use deque when you need fast operations at both ends. Use list when you need fast index access. Follow for more Python interview prep. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.